Are you trying to decide between Namecheap and Domainesia for your web hosting and domain registration needs? Both platforms are well known in their respective markets. Namecheap for its global reach and affordability, and Domainesia for its strong presence in the Southeast Asia, particularly Indonesia. In this video, we'll compare Namecheap versus Domainesia, covering pricing, features, performance, ease of use, and customer support. By the end, you'll know which provider best fits your website. Now, before we get started, the links for the mentioned tools and softwares are in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, let's start with a quick introduction to both providers. Namecheap is a globally recognized platform known for its affordable domain registration and hosting solution. It's widely used by small businesses, bloggers, and individuals looking for a reliable services at low cost. Domainesia is a regional favorite in the Southeast Asia, offering affordable domain registration hosting and cloud services. It's particularly appealing for businesses and users looking for a provider with data centers located in Indonesia and nearby regions. And so we have our pricing and plans right here. When it comes to pricing, both Namecheap and Domainesia offer budget-friendly options, but there is a key difference. Now for Namecheap, the Stellar plan starts around $1.98 per month, and it is offering 20 gigabytes SSD storage and hosting for up to 3 websites. The Stellar Plus plan at $298 per month provides unlimited web hosting and storage, and for enhanced performance, the Stellar Business Plan costs around $5 a month, and that includes priority support and improved features. For Domainesia, the hosting plan starts approximately at $0.97 per month, which is around 14,000 Indonesian dollars, which is extremely affordable, though it's designed for small websites with lower resource needs. Now, the super hosting plan costs around $3 a month, around 41,000 Indonesian dollars, and it offers unlimited bandwidth and SSD storage for a single website. Now, they also provide cloud hosting plans starting around $6.23 a month, which is around 90,000 Indonesian dollars for users needing high performance. If you're on a tight budget, Domaineasia's entry-level plans are among the most affordable in the industry, but Namecheap offers more robust features for slightly higher prices. And now, performance is critical for any website. Let's compare the two. Now for Namecheap, it offers 99.9% uptime guarantee, which is the standard for the industry. Their servers are reliable, but performance can vary based on the plan that you choose. Namecheap's hosting is well suited for global audiences with decent speeds across regions. On the other hand, Domainesia also guarantees 99.9% uptime and has a data center strategically located in Indonesia, Singapore, and United States. Domainesia is optimized for local audiences in the Southeast Asia, so if your target is around the regional states, you'll likely benefit from the faster loading times. For international websites, Namecheap might be more versatile, but for Southeast Asia traffic, Domainesia has the edge. Now, of course, we have our comparison right here. Both Namecheap and Domainesia provide features designed to simplify web hosting management, but they cater to different needs. For Namecheap, they offer free SSL for the first year. You also have free website migration services. It has built-in CVN for faster web speeds. You also get domain privacy protection included with the domain purchases. And lastly, you have extensive VPS and dedicated hosting option for scalability. Meanwhile, for Domainesia, you have the free SSL certificate included in all hosting plans. You have automatic daily backups even on entry-level plans. You have localized payment option for Southeast Asia users. You also have the one-click application install, including the WordPress. And lastly, you have strong cloud hosting options for advanced users. If advanced hosting features like daily backups or local payment methods are important, Domainesia stands out. However, Namecheap offers better scalability and more global feature set. And so let's talk about ease of use. Namecheap uses the popular cPanel, which is familiar to most users and offers excellent control for managing hosting, emails, and domain. Their dashboard is intuitive, making it easy to navigate for beginners. Basically, when using the cPanel for Namecheap, it will go ahead and look something like this. If you want to manage your email accounts, you can just go ahead and navigate through the email section. You also have the files for your website right here. Maybe you want to add some images, or you want to go ahead and adjust the disk usage for your website. You can just go ahead and do that by clicking on the cPanel. You also have your database for your website. And lastly, you have all of the domains ready to be assembled or managed on the cPanel itself. Now, for the Domainesia, they also use a user-friendly control panel with one-click installation for WordPress. Now for Domainesia, they also use a user-friendly control panel with one-click installations for WordPress and other application. While it's less feature-rich than cPanel, it's simple enough for the first-time users and streamlined for localized audiences. Both platforms are easy to use, but if you're already familiar with cPanel, you might feel more comfortable with Namecheap. Basically, it will go ahead and look something like this, similar to the cPanel from Namecheap. Now, you have your dashboard for WordPress. You also have your services right here. And lastly, you have your dashboard. And of course, one of the most important aspects is the customer support. Good customer support can make or break your hosting experience. For Namecheap, they offer 24/7 live chat and ticketing system. Their support team is reliable through responses times that can vary during peak periods, and they have their extensive knowledge base packed with tutorials and FAQs. Now, on the other hand, Domainesia also provides 24/7 support through the live chat and email. They are known for their fast response time, particularly for the Southeast Asia, and their knowledge base is available in both English and Bahasa Indonesia, catering to local audiences. If localized support is important to you, Domainesia has the edge. For more global support experience, Namecheap excels. Now, who should choose Namecheap? Now, if you're targeting a global audience and need reliable hosting with broad international reach, you want to go ahead and use Namecheap. You want more affordable hosting with features like free website migration and domain privacy protection, you want to head for Namecheap. If you are looking for a scalable hosting solutions as your website grows, you want to aim at that for Namecheap. Now, who should use Domainesia? Now, you should go for Domainesia if your target audience is the Southeast Asia and you need an optimized regional hosting. One of the other reasons is that if you're looking for an affordable entry-level plans with robust features like the daily backups and free SSL, you might want to consider Domainesia. And lastly, you want localized support and payment options. And so, which is better, Namecheap or Domainesia? It really depends on your needs. If you're looking for a global hosting provider with affordable pricing and scalable plans, Namecheap is an excellent choice. But if your audience is the Southeast Asia and you need localized hosting with strong regional performance, Domainesia is the way to go. Let me know in the comments below which provider you're leaning towards into. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more hosting comparisons and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.